this is Classic Hairstyle and Vlog back again with another hair video, and this time I'm gonna show you how you can do the triangle part known as the V part, whatever you call it in your country, guys. It's the same thing, okay? So guys, just sit back and relax and enjoy it, okay? And guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, guys. Enjoy!
Yeah. Dive in here with love and grace, making beauty come alive in this space. Weave in patterns, row by row, teaching skills that help you grow. Only one classic, only one classic. Ooh, she performs magic, classic hairstyles and locks. Only one classic. She performs magic here. Expert hands with a gentle touch, creating looks that mean so much. From box braids to perfect weaves, every style that you believe. Only one classic, only one classic. She performs magic, classic hairstyles and vlogs. Only one classic. Subscribe, don't wait to see all the styles that set you free. Step by step, I'll guide you through with the classic looks and make you feel brand new. She'll want classic, only sound that do, only one classic. She performed classic. She performs magic, classic hairstyles and bogs. Only one classic. Classic hairstyles, that's her name. Join me as we play this game of beauty, style, so much more. That's what this channel's for. Only one classic. She performed classic. Only one magic, classic hairstyles and vlogs. She performs magic. Teaching skills that help you grow. Only one classic. Only one classic. She performs magic. Only one classic. Hairstyles and vlogs. She performs magic. Expert hands with a gentle touch, creating looks that mean so much. From box braids to perfect weaves, every style that you believe. Only one classic, only one Step by step, I'll guide you through. With the classic looks that make you feel brand new. Only one classic. Only one classic. She performs magic. Only one classic. Hairstyles and looks. Only one's magic. Classic hairstyles, that's my name. Join me as we play this game of beauty, style, and so much more. That's what this chair is for. It's only we cast out a classic. On a self a classic. What's better, style, and so much it. Classic hair, nothing's slow. She performs magic. Making beauty come alive in this space. Weaving patterns row by row. Teaching skills that help you grow. Only one classic. Only one classic. She performs magic.